Okay, I was just checking my Crypto.com account and I was looking to transfer my Shiba from Crypto.com to Shiba Swap. And I noticed, you may already know, the fees has been dropped considerably. It went from 5 million Shiba to only 1 million Shiba to transfer from Crypto.com to Shiba Swap. And let's talk about it. My name is Adam Shelton, and thank you for watching this video today. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe to this channel. Now, this is something that I didn't know until recently, that the fees has been dropped. Now, I've done a video before of saying, yes, the fees were not like this at all. And so what happened was, I went to my Crypto.com account, I clicked on all, so let me go, it may be better looked on my phone. So what I did was, I just said withdraw, I clicked on here, I did maximal, and I withdraw. And that's what I got. Withdrawal from Crypto.com only cost 1 million Shiba. Now, this is what I did in the beginning. All I did was, let me go back, and I got to this page right here. Looking to move 100 million Shiba to 1 million Shiba to my Shiba Swap account. Now, how you get to this is basically what I did was, I went to accounts, I went to crypto wallet, I clicked on Shiba Inu, I clicked on transfer, withdraw, external wallet. When I did external wallet, I had to add a wallet, so I had to add an address in here by clicking on here to add an address on here. But I already have an address, click on withdraw, then I click there, I did maximize or maximal, withdraw, and that's what I got to. That's what it is. This is really good. I'm glad they came to an agreement, or they got this lower, because those fees were 5 million SHIB. Now it's only 1 million SHIB. So now I feel comfortable moving it over. It's only cost me 1 million SHIB. So I click on confirm, and I will put my password back, and it should go through. Let me go ahead and put it in. And if I bring this back up, it said your SHIB withdrawal request has been submitted. So now it's going to my Coinbase wallet. I have it connected to my Coinbase wallet. So Crypto.com is going over to my Coinbase wallet, and it will be there probably in the next 30 minutes. It usually takes a while for this to happen, just to let you know. But if you're interested in moving your Crypto.com to Shiba Swap, it is much lower than it used to be. And what's going to happen is, that's going to come right here. It's going to come right on my your tokens, and it's going to have a value there as well. Now, what I'll do with those type of tokens, I'm trying to decide if I'm going to trade those Shiba to all Bone. Is because Bone is at $1.95. As you look in here, Bone is very, very low. So I'm tempted to take the 100 million Shiba that I have left in my Crypto.com account and swapping that for more Bone. Or maybe I just keep the Shiba in there. So I'm still deciding on what to do on that. That's the exciting part of it. I understand the price is lower and you may be freaking you out a little bit, but the APY is still attractive. And what it does is, it gives you some type of, strategy type thinking. Like, okay, Bone 195, and if I've got something to kind of swap for, why not get some Bone? Why not add some Shiba? Why not add some leash? Now, that's not financial advice. It's just something I'm thinking about, because Crypto.com, as you see here, is being transferred. My Shiba from Crypto.com is being transferred to Shiba Swap. So I'm excited about that as well, because it cost me 5 million SHIB. I would probably consider swapping that for Bone, but I'll do a video on exactly what I decide to do to help you strategize your portfolio and also your Shiba, Bone, and leash. So I'll show you exactly what we decided on the next video. So stay tuned for that. My name is Adam Shelton. Thank you for watching this video. Yes, the fees has been reduced on Crypto.com from 5 million to 1 million. I'm excited about that. That's positive news of the day. I'll see you on the next video. Don't forget to click on the links below to get started with anything that's down there to help you grow each and every single day. I'm Adam Shelton. I'll see you later.